Harry wants to know different ways that we can get more customers. So we're going to be talking about the funnel side of that today, turning them into customers, which is the real aim of the game, right? Hello, my name is Sarah Cordiner, and today I'm going to be taking you through around the next hour or so how to create your own amazing, fancy funnels that should create you a growing email database, which is an asset in your business, and paying customers. I'm going to show you what the differences are in a funnel if you're giving something away for free, and the difference between giving away a product or an offer that you're charging for so that you can make money, create an amazing customer experience. So let's start funnels on fire, baby. We're going to be taking you through the whole process today for making a funnel. And if you follow along with this, you will have your own funnels published by the end on the web. We have what are called web pages. Now, web pages are just purely a page on the internet that has its own unique URL, yourwebsite.com/something. A web page is simply a unique standalone page on the internet that has its own URL. I'm glad you asked, because an opt-in page is simply a page on the internet with its own URL that contains information whereby people can opt in to something, usually giving their email address to you to get something for free. A website is simply a collection of landing pages or sales pages or opt-in pages. It's a collection of pages on the internet that have been collectively placed together in an organized way with a navigation menu at the top so that people can easily find each of those pages that website owner wants you to easily be able to find and search through. The website is a collection of independent pages. So then what's a funnel? All a funnel is a collection of web pages that have been put together in a specific order. Now, hopefully on that step one of the 3-step funnel, they're going to go, oh, that sounds amazing. I would like to buy that. So they press the buy button. There is no limit to the number of steps that you can put in a funnel. He actually had upsells for up to 22 steps that people were going through and buying all the way through, which is absolutely amazing. A free thing funnel, an opt-in funnel, is when you're predominantly using a funnel to collect people's email addresses in exchange for giving them some kind of freebie. I want you all to make money. I want all of you to make some money. And even if people don't follow through with your purchase, we can still use this to collect email addresses. When you're selling something online, you usually need a place where whatever it is you're going to give them is going to live. The first thing we got to do is go and create that sales page, because if we can't convince people how brilliant our thing is, whether it's free or paid, they're not going to buy it. And I have seen so many people come to me with the most incredible products, courses, offers, services in the world. And they say, I'm not making any sales. FYI, I've been doing this for 20 years. My sales pages convert on average at 44%. 44%. And I am giving you for free my sales page creator bot that is programmed with the structure to aim to hit those conversion rates. So even if you don't know what your thing is or exactly what it's going to look like, it's actually going to start structuring the offer for you too. And then you can keep chatting with it and it's going to write the copy for you, which is very exciting. The absolutely critical, non-negotiable must-have elements on a high-converting sales page, because research tells us as a fact that globally, on average, 80% of shoppers abandon the checkout when they go to buy something. 80%. As in, they go to buy something and for some reason go, whoa, oh no, not going to buy that. Cat's on fire, kids run off screaming, phone's rung, doorbell's gone off. Oh my gosh, I forgot that thing. If you want opt-ins, collect as least information as possible. Ta-da! You now have your 3-step funnel designed. Woo! We just created a 3-step funnel. What? In less than an hour? That's exciting. And my darling friends, you now have yourself your very own 3-step sales funnel that is super duper professional, high converting, and has automated the entire process in no more than 60 minutes and almost just over 70 minutes whilst I was teaching.